Hey guys, good morning. I am going to be showing you guys a house update. There's a lot of things that are different. I honestly don't remember what the last video looked like, to be completely honest. I think it was right when the carpet got put in, but there's a lot of changes now. Keep in mind, there's still kind of stuff all over the place, and there's stuff going on. You've already seen the rooms, but let me just do like a little kind of go through of the house, and then we'll just talk about it. Anison's room, you guys have seen it. I got this rainbow at Hobby Lobby, and it actually looks really cute with the paint color in the wall, and I love it so much. She really wanted rainbows, and I think it's gonna look precious right over her bed. And then you guys remember this bench right here that I had at the house in Iowa? I just put it in here whenever I move some stuff in. I'm not sure where it's gonna go yet, but there is storage in the bench. And then of course you guys remember this mirror. If you followed me back then, that was in my entryway. I have no clue where that's gonna go either. My office end table, and this is the twins room. I did have clinical this morning, so I had my stuff set up. And I did a clinical, now I'm having some lunch and watching a show. But slowly but surely picking up a few things, just like some towels that were on sale at Target. I'm gonna show you guys some of this stuff in a few minutes after I do the walkthrough. But the countertop guy's here right now. And this is going to be obviously a white countertop in here in this bathroom. And I just realized I still need to paint the ends of my herringbone wall, which every time I walk in, y'all, I'm so glad that I did this wall. I just love it so much. Okay, here is the couch. This couch came from Wayfair. Now I think it's called, I don't know if it's called a low profile couch or what. I wanted it this way because I wanted to be able to at least kind of see around, so the back of it is not super tall. As you can tell, it has like a low profile back. But I love the color of it. I didn't originally want this dark, but I love it. And I ended up finding this rug, and it kind of looks like Spanish tile or like mosaic tile maybe. And it has blush. It's light gray, but it's kind of coming off light blue. But this is light gray. It just looks blue on camera. And then some of the darker gray to pull from the couch. And I am going to find, hopefully, a light gray, this color gray, what do you call those? The crochet ball ottoman things. I just haven't found one yet, so if you guys have seen them, let me know. But put that right here in lieu of a coffee table. So this is just the little cozy living room space. And we're about to get all this stuff cleaned out, but everything kind of came quickly and we got behind. The shiplap wall, the TV is on it. I need to take a dry, is it called a dry eraser? No, a magic eraser, I think, and clean up some of the scuffs on the wall. But that's up. There's my blanket ladder from Iowa. I love this blanket ladder so much. I need to get my blankets out of the box and put them up there. But this is just really coming together and starting to look more like a home, and it makes me just feel so happy. This is the kitchen right now. The countertop guy, he left. He had to go to lunch, but he is doing all the prep work. He did prep, I think, this counter over here already. And yes, that's yellow still, but the stove covers it. So he got that prepped, and he's gonna be working on this. And then I'll take you guys into the other bathroom as well. And I'm gonna step up here. There's the laundry room down there with our washer and dryer in it. I can't remember if you guys saw the washer and dryer before. I'm pretty sure you did, I think. Honestly, I can't remember. We're gonna go into the bedroom now. It looks way different in here too. The bed is set up, and this is the comforter set that I went with. It has scalloped edges, and I just put it on last night, so that's why it still looks folded. But it has this, I'm not sure what this pattern is called, but I really like this. It's not super thick, but it's still warm. I was laying underneath it yesterday, and I just like how it came together. I did order nightstands probably 30 minutes ago, and they are white with, what do you call it? Like silver handles. It's kind of, I think it'll look good with the bed, which is obviously gray. I do love this bed. I have nothing to go up here yet, which that's not really the priority right now, but it's a big wall and I'm trying to figure out what to put up there because it makes it look smaller on camera, but it's like a really big space. And then the TV is on the wall right here. Sorry, my camera will not stay focused, but that is on the wall already. I don't know what's gonna go right there either. I think the dresser, I have a white dresser in my room right now. I think it's gonna go over here on this wall. And on this wall over here, I'm pretty sure I'll put my desk from TJ Maxx right there. And that'll be kind of my study area. And then the nightstands are a pretty good size, so I think it's going to take up most of this space right here in front of the window. And this TV, I'm not sure what's going to happen with it. It's just kind of been sitting there, so I'm not really sure. As you can tell, I'm not completely organized. He's also going to be doing this countertop white. This is the color of the vanity. It's a taupe blush kind of color. It's just the one that I wanted to go with. I just kind of freaked out about doing too much of a vivid color in here, even though the green probably would have looked really pretty. And now that I'm thinking about that, olive green actually looks pretty good, but I'm not going to change it. I'm going to leave it like it is. I actually really do like this color, and ironically it does match my on clouds that I wear to work most of the time. And I love this color, and I had no idea when I picked this out that it was essentially the same color, but now I know why I'm drawn to this color. And yes, everything is still dirty. We're about to get the house cleaned. So that is the update. I know that there's a lot of changes since the last one because stuff has started coming, and I'm just kind of like, there's so much that's going on right now that this is happening fast. And for a while, I didn't even come over here for a little bit. There's just been a lot going on, if I'm being completely honest. I'm gonna show you guys just a couple things that I picked up because it just happens to be sitting here. So let me set this up and I will show you. Okay, so I got these lamps right here. It's like a black metal lamp with a white shade. And I'm gonna put this one on each side of the bed on the nightstands. Y'all, these were only $19.99 at TJ Maxx. When I saw them, I could only find one at first, so I was hunting the store trying to find it. I ended up finding it in a completely different section, like someone was gonna buy one of them and then put it back. So I ended up buying 2 of them to go beside the bed. And this is kind of like just a random assortment of stuff. It's nothing crazy, it's just small things that I've seen and just picked up, like clear shower curtain or a shower liner. And then I got this one right here. This is a white shower curtain, and this is the texture on it. And the front has like this fringe, so it's kind of cute. This I got from Home Goods, and that one is going to go into my master bathroom. I'm not 100% sure what kind of shower curtain I'm going to do in the kids/guest bathroom. I want something neutral, but yet something has to add color to that room because the sink and vanity are all white now. So I need something to add color. So I'm assuming it's going to be something with color. And then I grabbed this bowl right here with the kind of polka dot, what do you call it? Polka dot border, I guess. I have some dishes that I bought when I was in Iowa from Target, and it looks very similar to that set. So that's why I went ahead and picked this up whenever I saw it. And then this, I love this. This is super cute. Again, with the white dots, it matches those bowls that I bought from Target that one time. And it's on the top too. Super cute. All this stuff, guys, came from Home Goods. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in here. It's probably gonna end up being like a sugar canister because it does have the rubber ring to keep all the air out. I got 2 of those. This is the other one. And then I saw this. This is just a little silverware drawer liner or organizer. And it just says gadgets, forks, spoons, knives, things. I don't have silverware yet, but this is what it's gonna go in whenever I get it. I just thought it was kind of cute to organize. I also bought some Wyman stovetop cleaner, or stainless steel cleaner. You guys know I love to clean with this stuff, and I just happened to see it. And then I just picked up some random measuring cups because I really liked the color of these. It looks very like periwinkle, but it has the measuring spoons on it and then the actual cups themselves. Little things like this I just don't have. All I got out of my house in Iowa was my Ray Dunn dishes, my KitchenAid, which Brian forgot to pack it, so he has it and I'm just gonna get it when I'm there in March. And then those white Target dishes that I bought. I don't think I ever even used them, but they're just the bowls. I still don't have any plates. I want to find the matching plates or just some plain white plates. And then this is just another clear shower liner for the kids / guest bathroom. And then back there, those are just towels and some washcloths. Target had, I think it was what was it? It was like buy 2 get 1 free technically. It knocked down the packs of 4 washcloths to like $1.83, down from like $3 I think. And I actually like that brand from Target. I've used them a lot and they're actually like a really cheap price for them actually being good. My parents have, no offense to them, but they have like the cheapest bath cloths, and after a couple washes they feel like straight sandpaper. And so I didn't want to go with those, but those are actually a really good price, and towels can be really expensive depending on where you buy them from. And I actually have really good luck with ones that I find at like Home Goods, but I found those at Target. So I got I think all the white are towels and some washcloths, and I got gray washcloths because when I have makeup on I can't use white because it will definitely stain them. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, in there, that is the twins' cube shelf. That was in their room. Actually, it was in their closet in Iowa. If you watch any of those videos of me in the twins' room, you will know that was in their closet as well. And I have the cubes over there. So basically, a couple days ago, I went to my storage unit and we just kind of loaded it up. 2 loads, and Tyler brought them both over here. And I have a little bit left in there. My big desk for my office is in there, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna go behind the couch here. I don't want to keep paying for a storage unit just for a desk. And I'll show you guys, there's a lot of room behind the couch. So here is if I'm standing in the hallway, this is obviously the living room, and this is a huge area behind the couch. I'm not really sure if this was supposed to be like a dining room and that was supposed to be like an eat-in kitchen area, but this is just completely wasted space. And so I might just put the desk to that wall, but I honestly don't know. This is just a really big area. The people before us had a pool table right here. When I first saw the house, there was a pool table. But that's not something that I own or would use. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna put here. Or I could just put my desk there or something. I would like a play area, but it's kind of inconvenient to have it right here behind the couch. And putting the couch and stuff further back would interfere with the walkway. So if y'all have any ideas for me back here, let me know. I did want to say that this morning I posted on Instagram about my great-grandmother. I'm going to try to say this as fast as I can so we can move on. I post a lot more on Instagram than I do on YouTube, just because it's more convenient with everything going on. I've been getting a flood of messages. Basically, my great-grandmother, we got a call from hospice yesterday that she had days left, and this was kind of out of left field. They weren't even involved really and all of a sudden we got a call. Like, I'm not even sure. There's a barrier in communication because her family directly contacts with my mother, and I work and I go to school, and there's times I don't even see my mom. So I just want to say thank you to those of you who do follow me on Instagram. If you are seeing this, thank you for your messages and support. I have no updates right now. My mom and stepdad are not there yet. She's a 6-hour drive down. They live in Titusville, which is kind of close to Cape Canaveral. Orlando is right there too. So it's not, there's someone here. The countertop guy is back. But as of right now, I don't know anything. I'll probably post something on Instagram whenever I have an update, just to let you guys know what's going on. I have my accordion in like the most special spot in my mom's house, so I'm gonna bring that over here soon, just making sure it doesn't get damaged or anything like that. I want to go ahead and get it here and just get it put up. But thank you so much. It's just been one heck of a week. Let's just say it that way. It's been a crazy week. But I'm gonna go ahead and go. He's back to work, and I gotta do some more school stuff since I'm sitting here. I have some stuff that's due in a couple hours. But I hope you guys like everything. I'm pretty sure the first night I'll sleep here is on Sunday, and today's Friday, so there's gonna be a lot going on this weekend. I know we're getting close to this finish line, and now there's other things going on, but yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.